Rising above the island of Gozo, Cittadella dominates the skyline with its commanding limestone walls. Perched on a natural hill, it has served for centuries as the island's main defensive stronghold and refuge. The site's origins go back to antiquity, with evidence of settlement dating to Phoenician and Roman times. During the medieval period, it was transformed into a fortified citadel to protect the island's population from pirate raids and invasions. Under the rule of the Knights of St. John in the 16th and 17th centuries, the Cittadella was heavily strengthened. Bastions, ramparts, and artillery positions were added to withstand Ottoman attacks and coastal raids across the Mediterranean. Despite its fortifications, the Cittadella suffered a major setback in 1551 when Ottoman forces invaded Gozo, leading to widespread destruction and the enslavement of much of the population. This event reshaped its role as both fortress and refuge. Over time, as military threats declined, the Cittadella gradually lost its defensive importance. By the modern era, parts of the structure had fallen into disrepair, though its silhouette remained a defining feature of Gozo. Today, the Cittadella has been extensively restored and serves as a cultural and historical landmark. Visitors can walk its ramparts, explore restored buildings, and view sweeping panoramas of Gozo's countryside and coastline.